1997 Honda Civic, guys. We're gonna install a muffler on this. This is what it sounds like now. Go ahead, start it. This is with the stock. That's it. That's what it sounds like now. This is what's in there, the stock muffler. We're gonna install an aftermarket muffler. And this is what we're gonna put into this car. And it comes with a little box with the clamps. You can find this on Amazon. And this is simple. You're gonna cut it and install it. Alright guys, first what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this pipe from right there, right behind the muffler. We're gonna eliminate the muffler. Go ahead. When you're doing this, just be careful the muffler doesn't come down and hit you, because there's gonna be nothing holding it except the 2 liter mount. The pipe is out, the muffler is cut off, and just a little mount, the hanger in the back is left. We'll remove that and this muffler will come down. There's the muffler, and this is what we have behind. Alright guys, so what we did was we took out the muffler, we put a couple of clamps here, a clamp back here, and then we have some adapters in here, and then we welded it a little bit, and we welded up a hanger here, and that's it. And the job is complete. Now we'll bring this car down and we'll start it up and see what it sounds like. Alright, so the car is in the floor. We're gonna crank this up and see what it sounds like. Go ahead. There you go.